Yo, what's up guys? I am back with another video, and today we are playing Greenville Beta. And I have a Lamborghini and I have my friend right here. We're going to be doing an RP. I'm just going to tell him that my vid started. That sound is a motorcycle, so I'm sorry. Alright, it stopped. Alright. I said say hi. Alright guys, so I have a Lamborghini in this game. So I have a Lambo in this game. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo. It's my son. Son, hop in. I'm gonna say, do you want to come to my house? And guys, by the way, check out my second channel. My second channel is Soccer King 0702. My first video was just yesterday. I will get you some money by driving around. So, alright guys, so we're going to be doing an RP right now. I have to drive like normally, I think. Camaro. So, alright guys, so I have my own route that I take to get a lot of money. It gets you like $1,000 each time you go there. So that is very nice. I'm your dad. I'll show you right now. Alright guys, so this is Greenville Beta. If you haven't already, check this game out. It is awesome. It's basically a card game where you earn money. And it is very cool, I think. Dang it, someone had the hat. This is our house, son. I will drive you around to get you some money, okay? And comment down below if you like this game and if you think I should do more videos on it. This game is very fun. I'm saving up for the Ford GT, which is 500k, and I have 16k right now. It's gonna take a long time. So you guys, this is my route right here that I take. Go over here. Go around this. He has 5k, I have 16k. I'm saving up for the Ford GT, which is 500k. Alright, guys. Tags. In my dreams. Son, I'ma drop you off at home. I have to go to work. So this is the part where I have to drive normally. Alright, guys. So I'm dropping my son off at our house right now. Oh, thought it was going to be a red light. It always is a red light. Turning right here. So I'm dropping him off. Oh my god, this is our house, ma'am. Can you please leave? Thank you. My son is freaking out. Okay, I said I was sorry. Don't get an attitude. Thank you. See ya soon, son. Right, guys, I am working at Subway. So I'm going to park right here. And do flash me. Subway is now. Oh. Subway is now open. Come on by and grab some yummy food for yourself. Alright, guys. So this is where the major RP comes in. Turns on lights. Put side foods in trays. Oh my god! Oh my god! What just happened? Okay, so hello, sir. Welcome to Subway. How may I help you tonight? Sure can, coming right up. He's talking. Can I get an Italian meatball sub with a medium Coke, please? Sure can, coming right up. Gets bread. Puts meatballs on bread. Puts meatballs on bread. Get a Subway bag to put sandwich in. Put sandwich in Subway bag. Gets Coke. Hands meatball sub. Hands Coke. Your total today is going to add up to an estimate of $15. Your total today is going to add up to an estimate of $15. Thank you. Hello, officer. Welcome to Subway. How may I help you today? I do. Thanks. Can I get a meatball sub? Sure thing. Put meatball on bread. And oh. Get Subway bag to put sandwich in. Put sandwich in Subway bag. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the video. If you if you liked the video, please make sure to like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe and go check out my second channel, which is Soccer King 0702. And comment when you have done all that, and get a one lucky winner to comment that first will get a shout out in the next video.